Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome to hashtag Deck the Year. I believe this is week 21. It is Thursday, May 22nd, and this is an open collaboration hosted by the very creative and talented Penny's Crafty Creations. I will link her channel down below, and she has listed everyone who is or has participated in this open collab. So be sure to go check out her channel and her description box for that information. I went a little simpler this week, but I'm in Mer-May. It's still May, so I thought I'd do another mermaid, but I was honestly a little lazy today. I didn't feel like die cutting and stuff. So, when I was going through my mermaid stuff the last time, a couple weeks ago, I found this paper pad in with my summer things also, called Just Beachy, and it had never been opened. It's all the peach, gray, sandy color, and gold, which has gold mermaids. So I opened it and I took this piece out for a background and another one. Oh, and one of these cut apart sheets, which I use this and these and this word and the backgrounds for that separately. And one other one. Was it this one? No. Oh, I should have used that. I just noticed a mermaid coming up out of the water on that one. There's another one all over print I used. I'm not finding it, but it's in here. I don't know. Part of that. Oh, here, this one. And this one for the second card. And then I still had more of these stickers from Park Lane, and I used a few more of that on both of the sheets. Still have some left. I threw the bags they were in out. They were horrible, like rubbery, and anyway, and then I used a couple pieces, I think, out of Peachy Cheap Summer. I have no idea if it came with paper or whatever. I don't seem to have any. And a few out of Echo Park, maybe just one or two. And a couple stickers out of this scrap thing, which was a Pebbles summer collection, I think, which is done, except for what's in this bag. So I used a couple little stickers out. They just call them puffy stickers, but they're like little ones. Okay, and then also at the end, I went and used this Deco Color Premium Gold marker, paint marker, and on this one, some blue glitter gel pen. I used this washi on this card and this washi with the kitty cats on it, except that I didn't use the kitty cat somewhere in here. Yeah, there's strips of lots of fish, and I used two strips of fish. I got it because of the cat looking at the fish, but I don't even know where I got it from, off Amazon or no. I think I'm not sure. I think I got it off Etsy is what I was trying to think, but it has like branding on it, so I'm not sure now. And also I had this tube of washi, which I didn't like most of the rest of this, but I used one strip of this palm tree one and this blue. No, I didn't use that blue. I used another blue that was separate from this roll. Here it is. And it's about gone. Don't know where I got that from. And this sun, surf, and sand. Sand, surf, and sun. You only see surf and sun up here because the sun is covering the sun. Okay, so on this one, you can see they're altered index cards. I didn't know if I mentioned that. They're 4x6. This one was a cut apart. I did ink this one in Vintage Photo Distress Oxide and also this little cut apart, and then I went around the edges of this and put the gold dots on with the Deco pen. Here's the washi. This is that word relax out of it, cut apart, and there's two pieces of that paper from above and below it, down here and under here. This is a Park Lane sticker. This is out of one of those other ephemera packs. This was a cut apart. It was about as long as this, and it had 4 circles on it. The other one is a palm tree, so I put it on this one. But these are seashells, and I just used a 1-inch circle punch and also inked around all of those with vintage photo and stuck them down. And then this covers up the relax and the shell. And then I just put stickers here, and there's a fish going that way. I had another fish, it was blue, but it was heading the same direction. At least some of these, one of these fish is going the other way, yay, and so are the mermaids. And so is this fish, so that's why I used that sticker. And there's a mermaid up here swimming with her I guess she's leading the pack. So there's journaling space there, and of course on the back, if I use this in a journal, although it's sideways, you know. I might cover that up eventually. And then this one is even simpler. It's that paper I showed you, Sun Surf and Sand Surf and Sun washi, this washi here and here. And then the palm trees is the sticker from Park Lane, Joann's. This is a sticker out of that same pack. This is Echo Park. Not sure which pack this came out of. And then these the beach ball in the middle of the sun. I was going to put a gem in there, and I thought, oh, well, that beach ball looked cute in there. So that's what I did. And then the puffy hibiscus flowers, I think they're called, and one little palm tree and another flower down here. And then I just gave it the measles with the blue glitter gel pen. Kind of regretting that now. I kind of wish I hadn't done that. Oh, and I also outlined around here the flip-flops. I had a big ephemera flip-flop, but it was almost as big as this tree, and it didn't look right, so I didn't put it on. So I think it came out cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you like these, if you're ready for summer. I'm actually not. I'm not a big I'm not a big beach goer. I do like to go, but I have to be out in the morning. I like to be there and watch the sunrise and or the sunset. I can't be out in the hot sun. My daughter said, yes, you can. You just have to sit under the umbrella and load up with sunscreen. I burned her a crisp even with sunscreen at the shore, so I don't know about that. Anyway, but, and my shirt today is safe from the sun. I did a walk years ago. I still have the shirt because it actually turned cold again here. Cold, I mean, like going up only to 53 or something Fahrenheit, which is cold for late May. Anyway, and rainy, which makes it damp and cold. So, yeah, such is life. And then next week, I don't know what it'll be, but I'm just guessing, you know, after Memorial Day, then we're going to start getting into the 80s or something again. We'll see. I like it to be daytime mid-70s and evening 50-ish, okay? But evenings are going lower than that so that we're getting a high in the 50s in the daytime. And that's just a little nippy for... It wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't so windy, too. We're getting all this wind this year, and this is the windiest year I ever remember, this past like 8 months or so. We've had a lot of windstorms and stuff. Anywho, I digress. I do like the breeze at the ocean. I'll segue back into beach stuff with that. That's one of the attractions, you know, the ocean breeze, the sound of the waves. It's just the whole experience, right? And I do like that. I just, yeah, can't do the out in the sun too much anymore. And, you know, I'm kind of pale. So, kind of very pale. So, yeah. So yeah, that's my hashtag deck the year. I hope you like them. Let me know if you have a favorite down in the comments. And what should I use these in? Oh, and guess what, guys? As of yesterday morning, I don't know if I'm still there. I'm going to wait a week and see if it stays there. I was at exactly 4,000 subscribers. So, yay! Thank you so much. My views, on the other hand, have gone down. So please watch my videos and if you're here, obviously you're hearing this, you're watching, and if you like anything, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because the algorithm in YouTube really, it matters. And part of it is probably that I'm not monetized. I was previously, I opted out. I just want to have fun, but I'm rethinking that a little bit. I mean, why not? Even if I was only getting $100 every 6 months or something, every little bit helps, right? So anyway, I'll think about that. But in the meantime, do you see ads on my channel? Because I just want you to know I'm not monetized. So to me, you shouldn't be, but probably you are. I don't know. Let me know. I can't tell because if I watch my video to check it on YouTube, then it doesn't show with ads, but I'm the creator, so that might make a difference. I don't know. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you're seeing ads on my channel too, okay? All right, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful Thursday and even better Friday and weekend. And I will talk to you again probably on the weekend now. Okay? All right, guys. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.